Hey, what's up everybody? This is Steve from New York. This is my 2010 Phantom. As you can see, it's got no key. I have a system from Digital Guard Dawg. I'll just give you a quick walk around and then show you the system. That's my Phantom. Real quick, I'm going to do this for you guys. This Digital Guard Dawg is excellent. There's no key. As you can see, I took it off, it's gone. No lights are on, nothing, you see? Gonna hit the run, it ain't gonna start up though. You could do that all day. Now, I got the key fob over here on my mailbox. I'm gonna grab this key fob. When I get over, it's like 10 feet, you get to it. And as you can see, powers right up. Starts up and it runs. That's it. Easy. And again, so you see, no key. That's all I have is the fob. You walk up. You don't even need to do anything. Get on it, start it and go. And when you want to just kill your bike, you shut it, you walk away from it, 30 seconds at arms, no one's going to take your bike. Again, it's Digital Guard Dawg. Alright guys.